na, reminiscing of you. Girl, I'm missing you like crazy. Missing you, oh girl. Baby, I L-O-V-E-Y, oh you. L-O-V-E, I love you. I'm missing you like crazy. Missing you, oh girl. Baby, I L-O-V-E-Y, oh you. Baby, I love you. Yes, I love you.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Empress D. Nice to have you. And if you're a returning subscriber, and also to my new subscribers, hi guys, thank you for subbing, always appreciate it. So today is our second video. So this is episode 2 of the Beauty Glazed series. We will be dipping into this palette, which is the Beauty Glazed Sterlitzia, I don't know if I'm saying that right, palette. And this is what it looks like. Now in the video I will go through the shades that I'm using, and at the end of the video I'll do a couple of swatches so you guys can see. But if you want to see how I have achieved this look, then just go ahead as normal and stick around, and I will go through it with you step by step as I normally do. Okay, I'll catch you guys in a minute.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for spend.
Okay, so we are starting with one eye completed as we normally do, and we are going to just replicate this eye over here. Okay, as usual, I already have my brows done, and I went in with the normal thing, which is the Technic black brow pencil, the Saffron dark brown pencil, and the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. And I did my brows and clean it up. Okay, so we're just going to now start over at this eye. I did show you guys the palette in my intro, but here it is again. And this is what it looks like. So when I opened this, I struggled a bit in what shades I am going to use, simply because we have a lot of neutral colors going on here. And as you guys know, I did a neutral look for my first look using the Perfect Neutrals palette. Okay, so I gravitated naturally to the colors down at the bottom, and what I did was I went in with this shade, which is Violet. Then I cut my crease and I went in with Azuri. Then I went in with Blitz Blue, and then I went in with Blitz Emerald. Okay, and then smoke out the end with the violets. That's what I did. And then I also went in and did my wing liner, and I went in with the NYX VIVID Brights in the shade Yellow. I used a black liner. It's not branded. I think that it was Crazy Girl, but it's gone off, so it's unbranded. Basically, I've had it for a while. And this is the look that I did. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really 100% feeling it, but maybe when my eyes are completed, I may just love it. Who knows, okay?
It's serious.
sorry, Samora just asked me for an eye solly and I had to grab one, and I got blue one because I have blue and green eyeshadow. She has the green one, I have the blue one. But yeah, it also matches the Beauty Glazed palette. Okay. Okay, bye bye. Right, so I'm quickly gonna give you guys my opinion on this palette. So this is the palette. Like I said, this is what it looks like. Now I absolutely love the shades down the bottom that I dipped into. I obviously didn't dip into any of these. I'm sure they're the same texture and everything as the Perfect Neutral palettes that I used. I am just going to swatch a few shades on my hand so you guys can see the pigmentation on these Beauty Glazed palettes. Now the blue and the green ones that I use, this Blitz Blue and this Blitz Emerald, yep, that's what it's called. These two are absolutely gorgeous and they glided on. Let me just swatch them so you guys can see. Look at that. If that is not pigmentation at its best, I do not know what is. Let's be real, y'all. Like, how much money are we spending on palettes out here? They are just not bringing the quality. I'm gonna swatch this gold shade right here. Look at that. I'm just gonna swatch one more. And these are all shimmer or foil shades, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm just gonna try and swatch one matte, this one here, so you guys can see what the matte shades look like. And here we go. Yeah, so Beauty Glazed palettes do not play. They are cheap. You know, if you can't afford to get these expensive palettes, start cheap, start small, start with quality. Start with Beauty Glazed, okay? Because they do deliver. And you know, I'm happy with the two palettes that I've used so far, and I will continue to use the palettes that I have. I will definitely be dipping back into these. If you want to practice and stuff, I would definitely recommend Beauty Glazed products from Aliexpress, and I will link this one below as well, same as I did for the Perfect Neutral ones. But it's also good quality for you to wear anywhere. As you guys can see, pigmentation payoff is a bitch, okay? Instead of paying £45, $60 odd for a palette, and you see the dupe in Beauty Glazed, get it, okay? Get it.